Today's show is called Phenomenal Physics, so we're going to learn a few things. Some of the experiments in the show are not so exotic. What is this?
My favorite project was the lighting a dollar on fire because I would prefer if the dollar was burnt, but it was not because of the water.
Why is it still surviving after you saw the whole thing was lit on fire?
It was very, very hands-on for the students. The students got to volunteer and they got to see some of the principles, the scientific principles in action.
All the way up. All right, and then you have a stand. I'm just going to talk for 1 second. We're going to go.
Oh, we're always looking for something to show the kids science hands-on, active, so they're not always writing things down or reading it out of a book. It's better for them to see it. Done with a big weather and climate unit. So this fit very well in. Some of the pressure experiments she did, it fit very well in on how we studied weather and how we studied low pressure and high pressure systems.
What's inertia?
I appreciate having this experience because it really gave a lot of the people in the audience to have a hands-on moment on what kind of stuff goes on in reactions, what kind of stuff goes on in friction, all these experiments, and how a lot of them aren't just magic tricks, they're actual science. And I found that really interesting.
Well, she was allowing the fog that was trapped inside the garbage can, so an outside force acted on it, and then she had the little hole at the end and it released the ring. My students reacted very positively. We will certainly be bringing this back to the classroom tomorrow and summarizing and talking more about the concepts of science.
Inside the garbage can is causing low pressure, so high pressure is rushing in and it maintains that vortex for a short while.
Miss Kim had a great personality. She related very well with the kids. She interacted with them and allowed them to participate.